Hello everyone, I'm Vishud and today I'm going to make a water purifier to conserve rainwater. So first, take a waste bottle from your kitchen or anywhere and cut its upper part to pour the dirty water to purify it, and make some holes in its cap by which the purified water can come out. So first, take a glass and put the bottle to in which we will store water, and take this cotton by which the sand will not come out. Put a thick layer of cotton. Now pour the Now our first layer is ready. Now we need to put the second layer, and the second layer is of these tiny pebbles. First, label the sand. And put a piece of cloth on it. Now pour the tiny stones and label them also. And now pour this tiny pebbles. Now we need to pour these big stones in it. We need to pour these because if there is any big thing like big pebbles, leaves, or papers, pieces of papers, so it will be on the upside. Now label it too. And now our water purifier is ready. Now take the dirty water. It is a dirty water. It is I have taken this from outside, and there is some kitchen waste water added in it also. So let's pour the water. Now the water is being purified. Look at this. This is as you can see, the purified water is coming out. It is more clean than the last time. You can use it in washing clothes or planting trees and other things, or washing car also, etc. But you can't drink it because it's not safe for us to drink. The bacteria are still in it. You can't cook food or drink it.
As you can see that the water is transparent, but it is only followed by the clean water. In dirty water you can't see anything. Can you see my fingers, my hands, and can you see the tree? Can you see the tree? And can you see my face? Now I'm going to plant this tree.
Like this, you can conserve rainwater, kitchen wastewater, or any dirty water on a large scale. You can use this water in planting trees and washing clothes, washing the floor, etc.